And I have tried every which way to make this camera go horizontal, and it didn't work. So, sorry. I don't know how to do this stuff. After 564 videos, you'd think I'd know by now, but apparently not. So, I just want to chat today and say hi to everybody. And if you're new, please subscribe and watch my videos. I'm lonely. Anyway, I have been working on a piece, and I wanted to show you how I begin it. And what it is a drawing on rice paper, which I have glued onto a abstract acrylic painting. So there'll be bits of the painting showing through here. Let's see if we can make some show through. So you add water. Once you start to add water, you can see the color underneath will show. This is hard on this stupid iPhone. Oh my gosh. All right, I am going to start just drawing in some details. And because in my younger days, I was a stockbroker, and I feel like I had a brain. I don't have a brain anymore. Don't tell anybody, so I can fake it, right? Oh my gosh, this is crazy. All right, I got my microphone on. Hi, microphone. So I'm going to, I guess, start putting some paint down on this girl, maybe. Let's see what happens. I'm going to start with some white and a little bit of pink. Ooh. I don't know about that. Now she looks like she's going to go to war. I don't know. Well, I just wanted to pop on today, say hi, and remind everybody that I have a giveaway, and it expires on the 30th, so you got 2 more days, and you can sign up to win one of my prints, hand signed, and yeah, don't miss out. It's free, and it's a print worth about 40 bucks. So I don't know what's going on here. And yeah. Okay, so there's probably nobody watching this right now since I didn't really announce it. And so I will ramble on. If you don't mind me rambling. I just turned 72 this month. And yeah, it's kind of weird. I don't feel, well, my body feels 72, trust me. I have beat it up pretty bad over my life, all the things I've done. So I'm sure you're in the same boat too. And I keep seeing these videos, and they're driving me crazy. And it'll be an old lady, and she'll go, I'm 91 years old, and she goes on to this long chit chat about why you shouldn't go into a home and blah, blah, blah. And then you get halfway through watching this thing, and it turns out it's an AI. It's like, are you fed up with the AI stuff? Do you recognize the amount of AI BS that's out there? I mean, I like to use AI every once in a while. I use the ChatGPT just for answering a question every once in a while on how to name my videos sometimes. But I don't use it for content. And I just find these fake AI, if I can say it, the fake AI persons that claim they're 91 years old and they're living on their own. It's a freaking AI, okay? And what gets me is hundreds of thousands of people are watching these stupid things. They're not real, guys. Don't watch them. Don't give them time, airtime. And, you know, look for the real humans. I just watched a video this morning, and it was a lovely gentleman. And it was funny because he was 72 years old, same age as me. And he looks like he's a lot older. But he had a great following, and he just did all the talking himself. There's no AI. And that's what I want to see. I don't know about you. It's called YouTube. That's you and me. And it's about human contact and showing our humanity, and having all this AI stuff pretending to be a human being, and a human being saving a wild animal. Like, come on. The worst ones for me that really drive me nuts, they get 300,000 views, and it's somebody painting, and you see their hand, and they're painting. There's no paint on the paintbrush, and they get hundreds of thousands of views. I have paint on my paintbrush. I am real. I am human, and I'm only getting 50 to 100 views. And it's like, what is wrong with everybody? Come on, you guys. Stop watching AI. It's not real. I mean, if I wanted to watch something not real, go watch a television show. That's what they're for. So that's my rant on that. All right. I hope y'all don't hate me for that, but I would love to hear your comments and how you feel about it, because for me, I'm just feel very frustrated. And, you know, I have worked so hard for to build my YouTube channel, and it's been 3 years now, and I'm probably going to lose my monetization this year because I don't have enough views. It's like the way YouTube works is you have to have 4,000 hours a year of watch time. That means 400 hours a month, basically, of people watching. And my hours have dwindled down. Since the AI thing has gone crazy, my hours are down to 100 hours a month. And if you don't make 4,000 hours in a year, they demonetize you. You're gone. Bye-bye. And I have put a lot of work into this in the last 3 years. And I have, I think, 564 videos up. And I averaged one video a week. And plus I did shorts, did everything that you're supposed to do. And I've had one video that went viral, and that was great. And then I finally got monetized, and it took me 2 years to get to that stage. And I don't know what to do anymore, you know. I was actually thinking of quitting YouTube because I'm so frustrated. That's my honest truth, because I have spent thousands and thousands of dollars. It's not a cheap thing to do. So, you know, unless you're just doing it on a budget where you're just using your iPhone, natural light, that's probably smart. You know, if you're older and you want to do something and you want to get into YouTube, just do that. Don't buy all the equipment. Don't take all the courses. I took a course and it cost me $3,500, and I haven't done anything with it. Unfortunately, it's just every time you turn around, if you look on YouTube, it's got somebody is trying to sell you something, how to make it work on YouTube. You know what works on YouTube? Put videos up. Just put up a video once a week. Use your iPhone. Don't buy a camera. Just start with your phone and see where you go. I mean, some of you probably will do great. You know, just using your own personality and just have fun with it. But I needed to supplement my income, and I thought that this would do it. Well, it hasn't. Truth be known, I got monetized last August, and I have not received a check. So it takes a lot of work, and a lot of persistence and finding the right niche, and sticking with it. Just perseverance. Stick with it. But you know, it comes to a point where you start to wonder. It's like, what's going on here? And I'm here because I started this out because I do art anyways. This is what I do. And I have my own gallery. And I wanted to show people that they could do it too, because, you know, I meet a lot of people in my gallery and they always say, oh, I can't do any art. And I say, yes, you can. You know, it's not that hard if you know the secrets and all the tricks. And so that was the reason I started my YouTube channel, was to get people over that inner conflict of thinking that they can't do something. And you know what? We can all do it. We can do stuff. If we're shown the easy peasy way to do something, we can do it. Anyways, that's my ramble for today. I'm my frustration. And if you feel the same way, please leave a comment. Let me know, because I don't want to feel like I'm the only one out there telling the truth here. But, you know, we're seeing more and more of it every day, the whole AI thing. And I mean, it's bombarding us. And now we have to have, I'm part of a member of Art Storefronts, and they have a sticker that goes on our art that says human made. It's like, come on, this is ridiculous. That we have to go this far to let the world know that we're human, because they don't have a thing on the AI videos and the AI pictures and stuff that says this is robot made. They just put it out there, and it's just not right. It's not right. Anyways, let's see, how long have we been talking here? 13 minutes. This is a quickie today, and check out my videos. This is the one that I've just been playing with a little bit, and the finished piece is going to be up next couple of days. And you can see behind me here, there is a video, not a video, painting in progress. This thing is huge. This is a huge painting, and it's a recycled canvas, and it's the first huge face that I've ever done. So this is just crazy. We'll see how it goes. Anyways, I'm not going to ramble on anymore. So hope you're having a great day. It's another beautiful day here on the Oregon coast. And see you soon. I hope to have another live next week. So I'm shooting for 11 o'clock every Monday. And we'll see how it goes. But if I get to just talking to myself, well, I guess it's therapy. Have a great day.